Hey guys, I'm up here and welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make a working time machine in vanilla Minecraft. So here it is, my time machine. Of course, I have already built it. You can see that I used a lot of quartz blocks because I think they make the build look modern. As you can see, it has like a circular shape. We can say that it's almost a barrel shape. That's what I see. And I have also put this clock at the entrance and also another clock here attached to the wall to make sure we can see what time of the day it is. Here we have a button standing on an emerald block, and guess it, when we click it and we will be able to go through time. As you can see, the sun is going very fast down and soon we will start to see the moon on the other side. As you can see, through these iron bars and through the glass on the top of the building, you can easily see the sun and the moon. So here is the sun again. And if we, let's say we want to stop at midday, we just have to click and the time will stop going fast and we'll be back to normal. Okay, so let's see how this works. Okay, so first I'm gonna delete all the entities and I'm gonna show you how I made these clocks attached to the wall. Let's place the command block with the summon command that you'll find on my website in the description. You have to click that link and there you'll find all the commands that I'm using. Okay, so let's take a button. So I'm gonna activate this command block and as you can see, a clock just appeared. And as you might guess, it's just an invisible ammo stand which has a clock on his head and it's also invisible, mark and all the other attributes. Let's just place another one in here. The clock is rotated to be facing west, so you have to face east when you place it. If you want it to look into another direction, all you have to do is just inside the command block there is this rotation value which is currently at 90 degrees, and if you change it to 180 when we activate the command block, why can't I? Oh, because okay, it was summoned inside the wall, but as you can see now it has been rotated in that direction, as you can see. Okay, of course you'll have to change the coordinates to make it spawn not inside the wall but actually where you want it. And these clocks were absolutely optional, you don't need them. And one thing that is mandatory, you will need it in order to make the machine work. Where you want to place the button, you have to place a command block which summons another invisible ammo stand, which is this one, which we'll use to check where the button is. I built the room facing east. If you want another direction, you'll have to change some values inside the command block, which looks for the pressed button. Okay, so let's take a look at the command block. It is just these 4 command blocks. Starting from the button one, we're executing from that ammo stand which is at the button, and we are detecting if the button is pressed and it was placed facing east. It has the data value of 10, so we can test it and we can add to that ammo stand a time score of 1. Also, when we detect the same pressed button, we also replace that button with an unpressed button, and you can see it when you press it, it instantly turns deactivated. That's because the buttons stay pressed for some seconds, as you can see, for some time, and if we test for it, the command will be executed way more times and not just one. So that's why I'm going to replace the button. Okay, here we reset the score of that ammo stand when it reaches 2, and we look at the sidebar. As you can see, we press once and we get a score of 1. If we press again, we should get a score of 2, but because of that command block, the score will be resetted to none. So if we press again, we will get no score. And the final command block, it is just going to, if the time score is minimum 1, it is going to add 50 to the time. So if you don't know, if you run this command, let me actually put a higher number, for example like 1050, and as you can see it adds this number to the time, and so the time goes faster. And so that's how this working time machine works. So let me stop the time and here we go, we can set the time we want. So that was it for this video. I suggest you to check the description to find all the commands, or just click to another of the video that you'll see in the outro and take a look at them. Okay, that's it for me, I'll see you. Bye! Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen.